Welcome back to our channel Palguru Kids Fun and Learn. Hey kids, today I'm gonna tell you Tale of a Turtle and Squirrel. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a wise old turtle named Alex and a kind-hearted squirrel named Twiggy. They were the best of friends despite their differences. One sunny morning, as Alex was basking in the warmth of the sun near the tranquil pond, he noticed Twiggy scurrying around with a worried expression. "What troubles you, dear Twiggy?" Alex asked in his slow, gentle voice. "Oh, Alex, it's terrible. Our friend Daisy has lost her nest in the storm last night. She is devastated and doesn't know where to go," Twiggy exclaimed, his little heart heavy with concern. Alex nodded thoughtfully. Indeed, that is unfortunate. But worry not, my friend. We shall find a solution together." And so, Alex and Twiggy set out to help their distressed friend. Along the way, they encountered various animals of the forest, each with their own talent and abilities. First, they met Henry the owl, known for his wisdom and keen eyesight. Henry suggesting searching the forest from above to find a new home for Daisy. Then, they crossed paths with Emily the rabbit, famed for her burrowing skills. Emily proposed digging a cozy burrow for Daisy to shelter in until she could build a new nest. Next, they encountered Leo the bear, renowned for his strength and generosity. Leo offered to lend a paw in gathering materials for Daisy's new nest. With the help of their friends, Alex and Twiggy worked tirelessly to ensure Daisy's comfort and safety. They flew high, dug deep, and gathered material until they had created a beautiful new nest for their feathered friend. As Daisy settled into her new home, she looked around at her friends with tears of gratitude in her eyes. "Thank you, Alex and Twiggy, and all of you wonderful creatures of the forest. I am truly blessed to have such caring friends." And from that day on, the bond between the animals of the forest grew even stronger. They learned that by working together and using their unique talents, they could overcome any challenge and spread love and kindness throughout the land. And so, the tale of Alex, the wise old turtle, and Twiggy, the kind-hearted squirrel, became a cherished story passed down from generation to generation, reminding all who heard it of the power of friendship, compassion, and unity. Thank you for being with us. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.